Elledani here, and I am here today with another Vox box from Influenster. If you did not see my first Influenster video, it gives anybody the chance to kind of be an influencer. It is a review site that you do reviews, and then if you have good reviews and a good account, you get sent what is called Vox boxes. Vox boxes are boxes of products that you get for completely 100% for free, but you do have to post on your social media about these products. So this particular box is from Bare Republic, which is mineral sunscreen. We spend a ton of time outside in the summertime. Actually just talking to Ragnar about wanting to try to look into mineral options for sunscreen as opposed to the ones with all the harsh chemicals. I personally really don't need sunscreen. I do it for the health of my skin. I don't burn. I don't have any like negative side effects from being outside. I pick up color so ridiculously fast. It's unreal. And I really rarely ever burned. I've burned like 3 or 4 times in my life. Where poor Ragnar, sometimes he looks at the sun and burns. He's been in the hospital with literally blistered sunburn. His skin is so sensitive. I think that particular time did actually toughen his skin up a little bit because you really haven't had problems since then, have you? No, he really hasn't had problems since that incident. But literally, we were in the hospital with his back blistered. They thought he was trying to milk a sunscreen for pain meds, which if you go to the hospital, they keep you a whole lot longer if you want pain medication, typically. It's not, that is the last thing he wanted. He wanted to get in, get some kind of prescription relief, and be out. We had also used a lot of aloe on him. That was not just natural aloe. It's what my mom had on her boat, and it was blue. So all of the dead blistered skin was also like bright blue. So at first they were like, what the hell is going on with his skin? The doctors and nurses were perplexed. As soon as we said it was aloe, they kind of understood. But yeah, so this poor guy has really sensitive skin. We did want to try a more natural option just because we are outside a whole lot. This is mineral sunscreen gel lotion, ultra sheer and lightweight, made for all skin types, 40-minute water resistance. That is the part that really is going to be hard for us. There are days we're out on the water for 8 hours and we'll spend half or more of that time actually in the water. So that will be a little bit difficult. This says, the first of its kind, Bare Republic's Ultra Clean Mineral Gel Lotion formulas feel refreshingly light, smoothing easily over skin to deliver hydrating mineral sun protection. There is one that is for face and one that is for body. I think these are really nice sized containers. Let's see. Clean ingredients, trusted performance, environmentally friendly. The face gel lotion is oil-free, hydrating, broad spectrum, and water resistant. Again, just up to 40 minutes, which will not work for us. I mean, mineral protection never felt so light. Face the day protected with our ultra clean mineral gel lotion sunscreen. Surprisingly light, it smooths easily over skin to deliver hydrating mineral sun protection. Cucumber and aloe extract helps soothe and moisturize, while white grapeseed extracts fight free while grapeseed extract helps fight free radicals, promoting youthful looking skin year round. Oil-free, non-comedogenic, which essentially means if you have sensitive skin, non-comedogenic products are really what you want to look for. No chemical sunscreen actives, no parabens, no dyes, no synthetic fragrances, cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, TSA-approved size, reef-friendly and non-GMO. Reef-friendly is really important too, guys. Sunscreen is one of the most damaging things for our coral reefs, and our coral reefs have a lot to do with ocean health. So our coral reefs have a lot to do with ocean health. This kind of sunscreen is really, really important for the health of our oceans, guys. So if you can, definitely look into this. Of course, this box came a couple weeks ago, and although it is March, we've had snow this week. So I am hoping to test it soon, which I don't know if it'll be in this video or I'll do an update. It is like a greenish color. There's like no scent. I hate the smell of sunscreen. I just think it's awful.
Insult to injury.
Ragnar just said insult to injury. It does absorb really nice and it's not overly oily. That's another thing I hate, putting sunscreen on my face. I do anyways. But if it's not a facial sunscreen, it's just so heavy and I really dislike that. This is the gel lotion. It's a little bit different. Good, clean fun for all life's adventures. Mineral protection never felt so light. The first of its kind, our ultra clean mineral gel lotion formula feels refreshingly light, smoothing easily over skin to deliver hydrating mineral sun protection. Calendula oil helps soothe and moisturize, while antioxidant rich raspberry, grape, and carrot seed oils nourish and help combat free radicals, supporting protected, youthful-looking skin as you chase the good times outside. Calendula, I believe, is actually marigold. It's really, really good for your skin. This is a really nice size bottle. If it's only good in the water for 40 minutes, though, I feel like we'd go through a bottle really quickly. This is also like the same blue color. It goes on really nice. A little bit seems to go a long way. So the next time we get outside, I am definitely going to use both of these. Ragnar and I both are, especially because he is definitely more sensitive to sun. So he will be a better indicator if it works than I will, because
I have the skin of the north.
I don't burn. We joke that he has the skin of the north, and I might as well be I may as well be in the southern hemisphere, because I could be naked in the sun with no protection for days and I'd probably be okay. Definitely look out for that. I will put, possibly I may even do some filming that day, and I would just be bare-faced with sunscreen on, and we can kind of just record how that goes. So let's see how it works. Influenster, it's a really cool site if you like to give reviews and want to try to get free stuff. It is definitely an awesome site to try to test out products. I have only been on the site for a few months. I probably have about 30 reviews on the site, and this is my second Vox box already. I do have I believe it is reach or like an influence rating. I do have a fairly high influencer rating in terms of the site. I have about 7,000 between my Instagram and like various other channels. My Instagram is really the high one. For whatever reason, it will not let me connect my YouTube. So if you are on Influenster and your YouTube is connected, let me know in the comments what you did to get it connected, because every time I try to connect my YouTube to my Influencer account, it tells me that the app hasn't been verified or approved or something like that. I keep getting an error message. So I would really love to be able to connect my channel. For now, I'm just doing the Vox box reviews to let you know what's going on. But if I could actually do that for the site, that'd be really cool. So let me know if you know how to do that, or if I need to get in touch with Google or something like that. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that bell to be sure you don't miss a thing. And I will see you next time.